Everybody, I'm here to show you the differences between the original OnePlus Warp 30 watt charger and this one, which I believe it's counterfeit. It's a fake charger from China. I've bought it on Aliexpress. It arrived me some days ago in this package. This is the seller, and there is nothing inside beside the charger itself. So. During this video, I'll try at least to keep the original charger on the right and while keeping this fake one on the left. So, at a first glance, the two chargers are really similar. When I received it, to be honest, I didn't thought this was a fake one, even so, because there were something like 700 reviews for this one, all of them with 5 stars. So I checked it and I've been using it for some days, and it was slower, and so I'll start digging more into it, and I found out it's not original. It's a China counterfeit of the Chinese brand OnePlus. So I'll start by showing you what I found. First of all, the logo. The OnePlus logos are similar but different. The one on the original one is a light gray, and the fake one is something more like a bluish gray, so darker. Also, if you can notice, I'll try to zoom in. Okay, I think we are in focus. So the one on the original OnePlus charger is different from the number one of the fake one. The top is not symmetrical to the bottom. I don't know if... okay, yes. Also, the USB slot has rounded corner in the original OnePlus charger, and this is not the case for the fake one. I've received this charger with some scuffs and dents, and to be honest, I don't know if this was some poor craftsmanship or this happened during shipping. There are also some minor imperfection here in the plastic shell. So some other difference is the Warp Charge logo on the front. So same thing, the color is different, a lighter gray for the original one, but it's not centered in between these two lines like the original one. The fake one is aligned to the top and not centered. Some minor thing, as you can see, this is I think the mold, the line of the mold injection for the plastic shell, and in the original OnePlus it's in the opposite side and much subtle and not as pronounced as in the fake one. So the biggest difference is in the bottom writing. So as you can see at first glance they look identical, but if you look with more attention, Max for Warp Charge, there are some spacing in between the words, and this is not the case for the Aliexpress one. Max 4 is one word, and it's not correct. So I think this is another indication. Something that worries me is that, as you can see, all the certification below are fake too. So this is not safe to use. And since it delivers 30 watts and it's connected to an expensive phone, for me it's not worth it being using something cheaper and not certified that can damage your phone and your property. So I'll show you one more difference is the build construction. If you can, I don't know if you can see it, but with some minor force applied, it almost looks like the front will pop out. and this does not happen in the original one. I'm pushing it very hard, but it doesn't move at all. So I'll show you also the difference in weight. It's very minor, but I've noticed that this fake one is a little lighter than the original one by 2 grams, but it's lighter. So I think we only have to test them, and so I can show you what I was telling you about the slower charging time of the fake one. Here I have my OnePlus 7 Pro. As you can see, today is 19th of June, and so once again, to show you that this is the original, and we'll put it on the right, and this is the counterfeit with the Max 4 as one word, and we'll put it on the left. Something to notice is that on the fake, the USB is very hard to put it in. That's what she said, and it's something that doesn't scream quality. Let's start with the original one. Oh, of course, it's on the opposite side, as always. So this is my phone. I'll plug it in. So what I was telling you earlier in the beginning of the video is that charge is not what it's advised. It should be, as we can see in the original, 5 amps, and the original one will go around 5 amps, like 5.7 tops. Yes, it should stop around this. As you can see, it will not go any higher than that. But I'll now unplug it from this, and I'll plug it in this one. Okay. Now we will see that the fake OnePlus Warp charger will top at around 4 amps, like the previous generation 20 watt dash charger. Here, it will not go any higher than that. 4.2, 4.1 and a half, not near 6 amps as it should be. And so that's it. I think this is not original. This is original. It will get warmer, and I don't trust some fake knockoff for my phone, and I hope this video will help you. If so, no problem. Glad I've helped you.